Hello friends, do you feel loss of appetite? That is, you are feeling hungry, but when you want to eat, the food doesn't go. And if it goes, it gets vomited out. And this mainly happens due to post fever effect or cough or indigestion. For this, a very simple home medicine given in Lakhman Mishra's Ghar Vaidya. For this, you have to get 2 tola, that is 23.3 gram of fresh neem leaf, neem patta. Now wash it properly. Then boil these leaves with 1 liter of water till half liter remains. Let it cool down. When it is light warm, drink this water by filtering out the neem patta. This may lead to vomiting out of the cough from the stomach. This will restore your appetite and will help in better digestion.